Understanding Gasket Installation, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a slightly technical yet everyday topic, gasket installation. Whether you're a budding engineer, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious about how things work, understanding this term can add a valuable piece to your English vocabulary puzzle. Let's break it down together. A gasket is a mechanical seal which fills the space between two or more mating surfaces, generally to prevent leakage from or into the joined objects while under compression. Gaskets can be made from a variety of materials, including rubber, metal, or silicone. They are a crucial component in many devices and systems, ensuring they operate efficiently and safely. Gaskets serve multiple purposes, not only preventing leaks but also protecting against dust, electromagnetic interference, and sometimes even as a cushion to absorb vibrations. They are used in a wide range of applications, from your car's engine to the plumbing in your home. Understanding the role of gaskets helps in grasping the importance of their proper installation. 1. Preparation. Before installing a gasket, it's important to ensure that the surfaces it will seal are clean, smooth, and free of any old gasket material or debris. 2. Selection. Choose the right gasket material for your application. Consider factors like temperature, pressure, and the substances it will be exposed to. 3. Installation. Carefully place the gasket between the surfaces to be sealed. For some applications, a sealant might be needed to help secure the gasket in place. 4. Tightening. Bolts or screws are then evenly tightened to compress the gasket, ensuring a good seal. It's important to follow any manufacturer's specifications for torque settings. Over-tightening. This can cause the gasket to crush and fail. Using the wrong material. Not all gaskets are suitable for every application. Ignoring surface prep. Dirty or uneven surfaces can prevent a good seal. And there you have it, a simple guide to gasket installation. Whether it's for a project or just to expand your technical English vocabulary, we hope this video has shed some light on the subject. Remember, learning English can open doors to understanding a vast array of topics and fields. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. See you in the next video.